Back pain relief with one movement, pelvic tilt. Back pain is one of the most common complaints worldwide, affecting people of all ages and lifestyles. Whether you're sitting at a desk all day, lifting heavy objects, or simply dealing with the wear and tear of aging, that nagging ache in your lower back can be frustrating and debilitating. But what if you could experience back pain relief with just one simple movement? Enter the pelvic tilt, a small, controlled motion that can bring big results. Often used in physical therapy and core rehabilitation programs, the pelvic tilt is an easy, low-impact movement that targets the deep stabilizing muscles of your lower back and abdomen. Best of all, you can do it anywhere. No equipment necessary. What is a pelvic tilt? The pelvic tilt is a movement that involves gently flattening your lower back against the floor or surface by tilting your pelvis backward. It's subtle, but incredibly effective in engaging your core, improving spinal alignment, and relieving tension in the lower back. Here's how to do it. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor, hip width apart. Relax your arms by your sides. Inhale deeply to prepare. As you exhale, gently tilt your pelvis backward so that your lower back presses into the floor. Hold for 3 to 5 seconds, then slowly release to the starting position. Repeat 10 to 15 times. You can also perform this movement standing up or seated once you're more familiar with the motion. Why it works? The pelvic tilt works because it retrains your core and spine to work together in proper alignment. Many cases of lower back pain stem from muscle imbalances, poor posture, or weak core muscles. The pelvic tilt activates the transverse abdominis and multifidus, key stabilizing muscles that support your spine. By regularly performing this movement, you're not only easing pain in the short term, but also building the foundation for long-term back health. It increases blood flow, reduces stiffness, and can even help realign the pelvis and lower spine, reducing pressure on spinal discs and nerves. Who should try it? Almost anyone dealing with non-acute back pain can benefit from pelvic tilts. They're especially useful for office workers and those with sedentary jobs, postpartum women rebuilding core strength, seniors managing age-related spine issues, athletes recovering from strain or overuse. Of course, if you have a serious spinal condition or injury, always consult your doctor or physical therapist before starting any exercise. The takeaway: back pain doesn't always require invasive treatments, fancy gadgets, or complicated routines. Sometimes, the most effective solution is a movement so small you can do it in your living room. The pelvic tilt may be simple, but its power is real. When practiced consistently, this one move can relieve pain, strengthen your core, and support a healthier, happier spine. Give it a try today. Your back will thank you. Like, subscribe, follow for your free back pain relief ebook.